Now let us see the next problem. We have been given a differential equation y minus x dy by dx is equals to a into y square plus dy by dx. So we are required to solve this equation, okay? So I can write this equation as y minus x dy by dx is equals to ay square plus a dy by dx, okay? Now try to make this differential equation into a variable separation form. For that, bring this dy by dx term. Here also we have dy by dx term. Bring this dy by dx term to one side. So you will get dy by dx a plus x is equals to y minus ay square. Okay. That is, if you bring this term, you will get, take dy by dx common, you will get a plus x. Okay. And bring this ay square to this side, you will get y minus ay square. Okay. Now separate the variable. Bring y variables to left hand side. So bring this term this side, you will get dy by y into 1 minus ay is equals to dx by a plus x. So I have separated the variables. Y variable is on the left hand side and x variable is on the right hand side. Okay, so this is the variable separation form. Now what I will do is, I can write this expression as ay plus 1 minus ay upon y into 1 minus ay. What I have done is, I have added ay and subtracted ay. Okay, so the expression is still the same. Into dy is equals to dx upon a plus x. Now divide these terms. You will get ay upon y 1 minus ay into dy plus 1 minus ay upon y into 1 minus ay is equals to dx by a plus x. So here y will get cancelled. You will get a upon 1 minus ay plus, here these two terms will get cancelled. You will get 1 by y into dy is equals to dx upon a plus x. Now for the sake of integration, let us do a substitution here. Let us assume 1 minus ay is equals to t. Here t is the new variable. Differentiate both the side, you will get minus a dy is equals to dt. So from here you will get a dy is equals to minus dt. Okay. So a dy is equals to minus dt. To substitute this value, here we have a dy. So I can write, in place of a dy I have written minus dt. And in place of 1 minus ay, I have written t here. Okay. So minus dt by t plus dy by y is equals to dx by a plus x. So I am integrating both the sides to get the solution. Now the integration of 1 by t is ln t. So you will get minus ln t, and integration of 1 by y is plus ln y is equals to, and the integration of 1 by a plus x is ln x plus a plus some constant. I have taken ln k to combine these two terms. Okay. This is also a constant. Now bring this ln t to this side. You will get ln y is equals to ln x plus a plus ln t plus ln k. Now replace the value of t with 1 minus ay. You will get ln 1 minus ay plus ln k. Okay. Now these log are in addition. So by the property of log, their inner terms will get multiplied. So you will get ln y is equals to ln x plus a into 1 minus ay into k. Okay. So here log will get cancelled from both the sides. You will get y is equals to k into x plus a 1 minus ay. So this is the solution of the given differential equation. Here we cannot find the value of k because there is no given condition here. So leave it as it is. This is the solution of the given differential equation. Okay.